Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hype Scanner. Alright guys, listen up. What if I told you there's a protocol that's already done over $1.2 billion in on-chain trading volume, generated $20 million in real revenue, and has more than 5 million users? All before its token even hit the market? Yeah, that's Unich. This is not some random vaporware. The Unich IDO is live right now, and trust me, this is not one you want to sleep on. Go to unich.com/n, hit that get $UN now button, and just follow along. I'm going to walk you through why this thing might be one of the most underrated launches of the year. Let's dive in. So first, what is Unich, and why is everyone suddenly talking about it? Well, Unich is the first real OTC platform for pre-TGE tokens. That means, instead of waiting for a token to list on a CX or DEX, you can trade it early, before it even exists on Uniswap. They pioneered two game-changing models, pre-market and pre-order, and now they're expanding into staking, lending, and borrowing for pre-TGE tokens. This isn't just early access, this is a whole new asset class. And get this, pre-orders come with built-in leverage but with zero liquidation risk. That's wild. You can take directional bets, long or short, and you don't get liquidated no matter how the price moves. Just wait until settlement and either cash in or cut losses. Unich is literally giving you a flexible exit for both buyers and sellers. You can even cash out your position early with their cash out function. This kind of permissionless OTC system doesn't exist anywhere else. Alright, let's talk about $UN, the native governance token of the protocol. And no, this isn't just a hype coin. $UN gives the community full control, proposing and voting on major changes in the system. Here's what makes it powerful. First, it's got a buyback and burn mechanism. 30% of protocol profits are used to buy $UN off the market and burn it quarterly. Second, tokenomics are insanely community-friendly. 80% of the total supply is going to the community team, and investors are locked for 1 year, then vested over 3 years. No sketchy unlocks, no sudden dumps, and let's talk valuation. The FDV is just $150 million. Compare that to Aevo at $3 billion or Whales at $400 million. If the demand keeps growing, this thing could easily 2x or more. Plus, the pre-market price is already above 65 cents, which is a pretty bullish signal before listings even go live. Now about the IDO, if you're on the whitelist, you're getting in at a discount, and on top of that, they're throwing in a free NFT for whitelist users. And these aren't just any NFTs, they're freedom-themed, symbolic of the platform's permissionless, decentralized ethos. But wait, it gets better. They're running an on-chain referral system with 11% commission. That's right, real-time, wallet-based rewards. If someone uses your link and buys, you get a cut, for life. And all of this is backed by massive traction. Unich has been leading pre-market volume across tokens like $Dude and $Pump. In some cases, they've even outpaced centralized exchanges. That's crazy. Honestly, just look at their Twitter, Telegram, and the app. The community is loud, active, and bullish. Not just bots, real users, real transactions. Let's talk security, because none of this matters if the platform isn't safe. First, Unich is audited by Softstack, the same firm that worked with 1inch, Ripple, and DeGods. You can literally click the audit badge on the site and read through the full breakdown. Second, they're a registered legal entity in Lithuania. I looked them up on the official government registry. This isn't some back-alley Web3 ghost company. They're actually compliant with EU law. Third, social proof. They've got logos from OKX, Bybit, Phantom on their site. And if you click into those, you'll see real partnership links, mentions, and engagement. They're also listed on CoinGecko, with over 18,000 people tracking $UN already. So yeah, this team did their homework. It's secure, legal, and verified. That gives me way more confidence compared to 90% of IDO plays out there. The ecosystem is where things really start to explode. You've got 3 core products: pre-market, early access OTC markets, pre-order, leveraged, no liquidation exposure, futures, coming soon. And they're building out staking, lending, and borrowing for pre-TGE tokens. Imagine being able to earn yield before a token even launches. That's a whole new meta. And by the way, Unich pays referral commissions in advance, so even before your referrals trade or stake, you're already stacking rewards. And again, it's on-chain. No spreadsheets, no guessing, just your wallet getting paid. Also, if you go into the Freedom Alliance section, you'll see major partners like B2, Everreach, Re.Pay, and they've all publicly announced their integrations. This isn't backroom handshake stuff, it's transparent and out there. So let me wrap this up for you. Unich isn't just another IDO platform, it's a full-scale OTC ecosystem with killer tokenomics, real traction, zero liquidation leverage, and a revenue model that actually works. They're building something serious here.
Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any project. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, comment,
and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you in the next video.